Here's a little preview of what you could expect in today's video. Quick editor's note, I just wanted to hop on because there's no real intro for this video and just say thank you for coming to check out my channel in this video. I truly have a vision and idea for where I want my videos to go and how I want my channel to grow. So if you are rocking with me and you enjoy what I'm putting out, just thank you so much. And I hope you enjoy today's video.
Today is Friday, April 14th. Yep, that is definitely my watch says. And I just had to hop on camera really quick because I just got off the phone. It was a client for a mural job. The mural is going to be at a summer camp in Missouri. And I just got off the phone with the owner and talked to her a little bit about my ideas and got the go-ahead. So I need to start designing, like now. This is going to take place at the end of May. It's April now, so I have a few weeks to bang out this design, get approval, and get my ass down there and get it painted.
Welcome to the voiceover. So here I am at the beginning of this project getting the design sketched out on my iPad. I do enjoy being able to document and show my process as an artist because sometimes all people will see is a finished piece of work, but being able to see everything that went into it just shows a more real view of this art life baby. Even this video is cut down to 7 minutes, but it was more like 40 hours of actual work. The design also ended up changing quite a bit from the original iPad sketch to the finished painting, and here I am picking up my paint and other supplies before heading out and getting set up at the mural site. First things first, had to get things prepped on the wall, giving it a light clean before putting down my base coat and primer. At this point, y'all, I was going through plenty of mental jumping jacks, with an equal mix of excitement and thinking, how the heck am I gonna pull this one off? I wanted to try projecting the mural design on the wall so it would come out as close to the mock-up as possible, and shout out to all these awesome people for helping me chalk out this part. Okay, so here we are at day one, and the energy in the air was electric, y'all. It was so high. I was probably up around 6 a.m. to get started painting, and my good friend Ari is also going to be making an appearance to help paint this mural, so I wanted to try and get as much done as possible so we'd have a good head start. So I wanted to just bring it back to what I was saying earlier in the video and talk a little bit more about how I want my videos to transform into something that is more than just showing the process. The way that this video came together felt like chaos. I was just trying to record as much as possible while also trying to paint the mural, and moving forward I think a little more forethought and planning will give me exactly what I'm looking for, which is really to craft a more entertaining story with the art projects that I'm doing and take y'all on that journey rather than just show process clips, and also help save myself a bunch of time. I really want my videos to be something that can inspire other artists and potentially be a resource as we're all on our own paths and figuring it out.
Hey, so we're in Tennessee.
I was like, say hi to him.
Now we're painting.
Greg. But yeah, very surprising. And I kind of love when people who create something make themselves like kind of the butt of all the jokes. No, because oh my gosh.
Yeah. I feel like when you stand up high, that's when they attack you more.
In day 3, we are powering through. Ideally, I think I wanted this to take 2 days in total, but sometimes plans change and I had to roll with it. So today is a big push day to basically get everything done. Although when time is money, I want to be more efficient with this kind of work in the future. All of the problems I ran into while painting this mural will only help me be more prepared in the future. So even in the chaos of all of this, there's a little silver lining. The fact that we were nearly nearly done with the mural, Ari and I had to stop for a little dance break.
5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Tap, 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 tap. There you go. Good job.
The finish line is in sight, y'all. This thing is about to be done, baby. And it's time to focus in on some of the smaller details. The finishing touches are gonna go in, and then all that's left to do is sign it and show you guys the final shots. Thanks again for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, bye! I think I'm gonna just have to use it. Whatever I got, using it.